Charms. It's your girl Michaela and I'm back with a quick video. Today we're making a flower wall out of poster board and foam flowers. So if you're interested, give this video a thumbs up. Okay, so basically this is real simple. I just glued 4 poster boards together that I bought from Walmart for like 88 cents. And then I bought some vine, which you can see on this left side here, cut it up and super glued it to the board randomly. And then I'm taking my 6mm foam flowers and placing them randomly on the board. I also bought a couple of regular flowers from the Dollar Tree because once I got all my flowers together, I felt like I didn't have enough. So I'm just using those as filler. So yeah, altogether I bought like 1,000 flowers, all different sizes. I bought my biggest foam flower is 6mm, and then I got some that are 4mm, and then the smallest are 3mm. But the small ones were literally white and the red wine color. And as you can see, my theme is pink, so I got different shades of pink. I got a red color to pop and then white also. So the key here is just to glue down your flowers randomly and cover up the white space, literally. It's really simple, kind of tedious. It took me like maybe 5 hours to do this whole thing, but I had the time to do it, so it wasn't that bad. And literally all you need is super glue, nothing else, by the way. If you're interested in seeing how to put the poster boards together, I can link a video down below that I watched. I didn't show that part mainly because I felt like it was self-explanatory, but I can do that for you. I'm just showing y'all the 3mm white foam roses that I was using. So basically I started with the biggest flowers first. I feel like I already said this and I'm repeating myself, but I started with the 6mm first, and then I went in with my little white ones just to fill up some of the space. And then I'm gonna go back in with the 4mm after this, and then a pack of 3mm after the 4. So I'm just alternating to make sure that I'm not using all big sizes together. Y'all, I literally had like an hour of footage and I got it down to 8 minutes. And I kind of wish that I would have cut it down to like 5 minutes because I really don't have a lot to talk about. I feel like this stuff is self-explanatory and y'all really do not want to hear me ramble, because that's one thing I will do is ramble and breathe hard. Then y'all gonna be annoyed and mad at me. So I don't know how long I'm gonna talk. Let's think. What else can I talk about that's related to this board? Oh, altogether, this probably cost me like, I want to say $40 to $50 to do. Altogether, the flowers probably cost, the foam flowers probably cost me like $30. I ordered everything off of AliExpress except the Dollar Tree flowers I got from my Dollar Tree in town. So yeah, like I said, the boards were like 88 cents a piece at Walmart. These are the 4mm flowers, by the way. Wow, this voiceover is so dry. But what was I saying? Yeah, altogether the board probably cost me like $50. Only reason why I decided to make it myself was because I was going to buy pre-made flower walls and then just stick them to my wall. But they were literally like, I think the cheapest square I seen was $13 a piece, and I was going to need like 6, so it was going to come out to like 75 something. And yeah, it was just ridiculous. So I just decided to make my own, and I cut it down by like $25, $30. So that's the only reason why I decided to make it by myself, just to save money because I'm poor. Yeah, so the flowers at the Dollar Tree, I think I want to say I bought 8 to 10 bushels, and on each bush it came with like 8 flowers or 5 flowers. It came with like 5 to 10 flowers, but it depends on what flower you buy. I tried to buy like the biggest flower that was going to take up the most room, that was still in the shade range of my foam flowers. So I bought like light pink and white. But anyways, since the Dollar Tree went up to $1.25, yeah, y'all can do the math. That really irritates me. That don't got nothing to do with nothing. But I can't believe the Dollar Tree is now $1.25. That's ridiculous. Like everything in the store was $1.25 except chips and candy. So yeah, they'll probably not. They probably won't see me again for a while because I'm mad at them for going up 25 cents. But here, to fill in even more white to like cover up any gaps or anything, I bought like artificial leaves, and I'm just literally super gluing it in any areas where I feel like I can see my poster board, which wasn't a lot of areas, literally. So I glued the leaves down to that, and I sometimes glue the leaves onto an actual flower just to give it that 3D effect. So yeah, I enjoyed putting a little splash of green on my flower wall because it just made it look more realistic. So I'm just doing that across the board. Allegedly, I don't know what I'm doing in the background, but that's what I'm supposed to be doing. And this is the final look. As you can see, it's very pretty and vibrant. I'm very happy with it. So this is just me struggling to put this board up, which I think, looking back at this, I'm gonna move it down some. But yeah, this is what it's giving from far away. I hope my feet not dirty. Like, that would be so embarrassing. Like, imagine you struggling to put something up on your wall and your feet dirty. But anyways, this is the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next week.